Some neighborhoods change your routine. This neighborhood changes your mindset. And this Jackson Avenue residence is right in the center of the Grove. Located on one of the quietest streets in Coconut Grove, this gated home feels private, calm, and completely disconnected from the pace of the city, while still being moments from Cocowalk. Inside, you've got 3 bedrooms, soaring ceilings, natural light throughout, and a layout that feels warm, open, and genuinely livable. And right across the street, you have a beautiful park that adds even more to the lifestyle and privacy this location offers. What makes this property special is the balance. You're surrounded by cafes, marinas, restaurants, and the energy of Coconut Grove, but home still feels peaceful. If this is the lifestyle you've been looking for, this is the place.